What happens when you drink water on an empty stomach? Most of us already know and agree that there are numerous health benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach in the early morning. Water is essential for life and its benefits are undeniably healthy. All organs need water to function properly and in good health. Gently for convenience, and we will have to take advantage of this important, healthy, and effective element that nature offers us, that we have it in our reach. Benefits of drinking water on an empty stomach. The health benefits of drinking water in the morning are amazing. Water has magical properties when it comes to your health. 1. Clears your bowels. First, when you drink so much water you feel the need to pass stools. This means that your bowel movement gets regularized. When you pass stools every day, your body is cleared of waste. 2. Releases of toxins from the body. When you go to the bathroom you are expelling toxins from your body. Water helps you go to the bathroom, so when you drink water you are detoxing your body. The more water you drink, the cleaner your body will be. It also helps reduce swelling. 3. Makes you hungry. Drinking water and cleansing your bowels gets rid of your sleepiness. It also makes you hungry early in the morning, so you can have your breakfast. 4. Produces more blood cells. Drinking water on an empty stomach stimulates red blood cells to grow faster. This, in turn, results in more oxygenated blood that makes you feel more energetic. 5. Prevents headache. Most of the time, we experience headaches due to dehydration. Drinking water in the morning ensures that your body is hydrated. 6. Speeds up metabolism. Drinking hot water can increase your metabolic rate by at least 24%. This means you digest and assimilate your food faster and end up losing some weight. 7. Weight loss. Drinking water on an empty stomach helps eliminate toxins and reduce swelling. It also boosts your metabolism to burn calories faster. It is one of the best strategies you can use when you are on a diet. 8. Gives you glowing skin. Most acne problems occur when your bowel movements are not clear. Once you have regular bowel movements, your body is detoxified, leading to fewer outbreaks and acne. 9. Increases energy. If you feel sluggish, you should drink a tall glass of water. Drinking water on an empty stomach stimulates red blood cells to grow faster. More red blood cells produce more oxygen in the blood. This means that you will have more energy. 10. Improve your immune system. Water is very important for the balance of fluids in your body. Your immunity to infections increases when you drink water on an empty stomach every day.